Okay, let's start. My name is Tigran Mesropyan. I'm the VP of Engineering at UCRAFT, and today my topic is AI in web development and e-commerce, automating design and content creation. And before diving deeper into the AI and how we have incorporated AI and integrated AI into our platform, at first I want to talk a little bit about our story, UCRAFT story, and the mission of the UCRAFT, what we have achieved so far, and why we decided that the AI should come to our platform and help us to solve the problems that our customers encounter in their everyday life. So here are some topics like what is the UCRAFT mission and origins, evolution into website and e-commerce platform, and the challenges that traditional website and e-commerce platform encounter during their life cycle. And let me take you back to the origins of UCRAFT and the beginning of UCRAFT. So at the beginning, the goal of the UCRAFT was to empower individuals or the businesses to create professional and well-crafted websites with the help of our tools. That's why we have created the visual editor, which will help our customers to create their websites without any kind of coding skills, any kind of HTML or CSS skills. So it's just a visual editor for which our customers can drag and drop and create their websites and craft their layouts. And after that, we decided that besides visual editor, our customers will need the requirement of e-commerce capabilities, and we started to develop our e-commerce platform, and we decided that we need to create our own e-commerce engine from scratch. And after succeeded in this area too, we saw that having these two tools like visual editor and e-commerce dashboard in hand, our customers still face some issues, and here are those issues that we understood that our customers can face, and we tried to solve those issues with the help of AI. So at the first place is the time-consuming processes. So building a website from scratch, even using ready-made templates or ready-made blogs, was still a slow process. Users had to manually choose their templates, craft their layouts, or use our ready-made blogs and use our designer tools to make their websites more beautiful and production ready. Besides that, there was also high cost and expenses, because in order to use all these tools and make websites ready-made, there are issues like, for example, content creation, photographers, SEO related stuff, and all these things require to hire a team of experts in order to create a business-ready website for production. Also, there are design complexities and complexities related to the content creation and branding. As we know, every business needs its own unique content, its own unique branding, and its own unique logo. That's why we decided that AI can help us here in this sphere to help our customers create their own branding based on their needs and their story, and also create appropriate content and appropriate design for them. The SEO challenges is another part that can encounter everyone who is using website or who is creating website for their businesses, because nowadays everyone knows that the SEO is has major impact on how to grow and how to evolve the business. And that's why UCRAFT decided to use AI and to integrate AI into its tools. And also there is a need for personalization and creativity. For example, every customer needs something unique. Every customer has its own story and has its own branding ideas and wants to make something unique, wants to make something personal that will describe its business, its company. And we understood that AI can help us here also to provide a solution for customization and helping our customers create design that better reflect their personal or business needs. At early attempts, without AI, we tried to solve those issues, and we offered like ready-made templates, page templates, reusable blogs beautifully crafted by our designers, and also advanced designer tools. But all these approaches had their limitations, because as we know, without having any kind of skills related to web development, to HTML, to CSS, or to not know anything about programming, it is hard for want to use these tools to be able to create a beautiful website. That's why we also understood that AI became the best solution for automation and personalized design. And UCRAFT started to embrace the AI and for design, logo, branding, and here are the main topics that we understood that we should integrate AI. At first place is the website generation. So we created a tool which creates website from scratch, from A to Z, just by understanding what our customer needs, just listening our customer story, and based on that generating a website from scratch. Then comes the layout creation for every web page. As we know in the website, every web page should be unique, should have its relevant content, relevant structure. That's why AI can help us to achieve this goal. Then comes the logo generation and branding generation. Again, every website needs to have its unique branding, its unique logo, and we understood that AI can help our customers to understand what they need, how they want their website to look like, and to try to help them to achieve those goals. Then comes the design choices and content creation, and then SEO optimization. And now let's see how we have integrated AI at UCRAFT. Here in the picture we can see our AI Copilot, which is designed to create websites from scratch, just reading prompt from our customer, and based on that prompt understand what our customer need and try to fit their needs. So in this example, we can see that I wrote, I want a website for my jewelry boutique called Shimmer and Shine, make lavender mist color as primary color. Here I mentioned several things. First of all, it is the industry. So I asked AI to create a website for the jewelry boutique industry. Then I mentioned my company name, and it is crucial for creating a website to mention your company name, because company name should be used in the content and in the logo generation process. Besides that, I also gave some tips of advices related to my color preferences. And after pressing the generate, AI starts to generate the layout of my homepage, and it started to design what kind of blog should be in my homepage layout. Here we can see that it understood that the first place should be hero section, then about section, and there are other sections that unfortunately didn't fit into this image. And besides that, we also see a chat where AI tries to talk with our customers, in this case with me, to keep in touch the process, so I can see what's going on and what is happening. After generating the structure of my pages, it starts to generate the colors. Because I already mentioned what kind of colors I want to see there, it tries to choose this kind of colors that will fit my needs. After doing this, it starts to pick and choose some kind of widgets in a draft version into the layout, so I can see how the process is going. And then it starts to put images and text, which is generated by AI. This is unique, and the content is relevant to my business. Here we can see another blog that is generated, like there is a gallery for the jewelry, and in the text we can see that the company name is there. After finishing all this stuff, it tries to generate a logo for my website. So in the chat we can see there are several suggestions for the logo. I can choose one, or I can press a generate more button and will start to generate another options of logo, so I can choose one which is preferable for me. Then this is the final version of the website. Here we can see that this is a ready-made website which is ready to push into the production. There is a logo, there is a images, there is a content, and also there is a navigation of the pages, so we can see that AI understood that those kind of pages are required for my website. So it is generated a completely new website just from the prompt. Now let's talk a little bit about our logo generator. Besides AI Copilot that is generating a website from scratch, we have also another product which is designed for logo generation. And again, we are asking several information from our customers to understand what kind of logo and branding we should generate. In this case, we are asking a company name, which is again crucial for creating a logo. And besides that, also what kind of industry the logo should be. After pressing the Generate with AI button, it also asked me what kind of keywords I should choose. It generated keywords based on the industry, and if those keywords are not enough, there is a input, so where I can enter my own keyword. And then comes the time for the color generation.
Here again is generated color schemes for me, so I can pick and choose one, or I can choose several colors. So in this example, I choose peachy mouse, and here are my logo types. So I can choose one, and then there is a possibility for customization. I can customize my logo for my needs, and that's it. My logo is also ready. And this is my branding, so it generated color palette, also fonts for my branding. So this is a ready-made branding with logo type, with my color scheme, and with the fonts that it has been used in the logo generation. Now let's talk a little bit technical aspects of this, how everything is working under the hood. So this is the diagram, like flower diagram of our microservices that are working under the hood to make this process happen. In the center, we can see the AI frontend, which is the main orchestrator microservice that is orchestrating the process of website generation and logo generation. The prompt comes to the AI frontend and travels between various microservices, and eventually it generates a website. At first place is our harassment detection. Before diving deeper to understand what kind of content or what kind of website we should generate from the prompt, first of all, we analyze prompt to make sure that it doesn't contain any kind of harassment or phishing related stuff. If it contains, we halt the process. Otherwise, the prompt goes to the prompt gateway, and here is the main place where we try to understand our customer, try to understand what they want, what kind of website they want, what kind of color palettes, what kind of industry they belong, and etc., etc. After that, the additions microservice generates some additional information related to the website or to the project, and all those information goes to the suggestion service. So the suggestion service starts to suggest widgets, components, style guides, etc. in order to generate. Then the main generator service starts to read the suggestions that has been provided by this microservice, and it starts to generate like images, icons, widgets, content, and the whole design system. And then comes the logo generator, which starts to generate the logo type. We are using several techniques here. For example, we are using fine-tuned GPT and other models like generative AI in order to make this generate on the fly. Before this, we also faced a lot of challenges, and we learned a lot from our failures. At first, we tried to use an annotation of website images. One of our initial ideas was to annotate images of existing websites using this annotation to train AI model that will recognize design patterns and layout. However, this approach didn't work, and it quickly proved time and resource consuming process, required an enormous amount of work. Then we decided that we can involve designers from all over the world and from our company to collaborate with us to create very beautiful design components, very beautiful templates that we can use later for generating websites. But after doing all this, we understood that again, this process is also time consuming and resource consuming, and it is going against our goal that we should use a generative AI to try to generate something new from our customers, to not do repetitive website, like to not pick one template and try to customize this, but our main goal was to generate on the fly based on customer needs without using any kind of predefined templates or predefined blocks or something like that. And AI at UCRAFT is a co-creator. It is not here to replace our customers. It is here to help our customers to empower the creation and automation, to help them personalize their design at real time, to help them in the issues related to the SEO, to make them easier, make SEO-friendly websites, and also be a branding assistant. And now let's talk about the future of AI at UCRAFT, what we see in the future at UCRAFT can be incorporating and integrating the AI. Let's start with the e-commerce. With the help of AI in e-commerce industry, we can achieve a lot, and we can make the life of our customers much easier
and to run their businesses much smoothly. First of all, AI can work well in product and category content creation. So the systems can automatically generate descriptions for product listings, for categories. Even they can generate some images or modify the images for products to make them more marketing look. AI can shine in automated product recommendations. For example, AI can analyze the behavior of customers, their purchase history, their browsing history, and based on that information start to suggest them products or something new to boost and engage the sales of the company. It can also play a role in the personalized shopping experience, like by utilizing customer data and behavior analysis, AI can tailor the shopping experience for every user. Also, it can analyze customer behavior and for particular shop understand what customers are looking in that particular shop, what products are selling good, what products are selling bad, or maybe there is some good product, but it is placed in a wrong place, that's why no one finds them, so it can suggest to place this product in a homepage or something like this in this category. And also it can automate sales processes, like it can take over the repetitive task like price adjustment or sales adjustment, and much more. And also further enhancement we see in design, like to be able to generate a widget at real time. For example, with the help of AI, our customers can provide a prompt, and based on that prompt we can generate a ready-made widget, whether it's a custom form, a button, or a navigation element. The AI will build it in real time based on the user preferences. And here the form is a good example because, for example, there can be a customer who wants to create some kind of web form for invitation, for registration, or something that they realize they need a form. They know what kind of inputs should be there, but they are not really sure about that, so they can ask questions to AI, and AI can create that form widget for them with style, with design, and with everything that is required for that. It can also create real-time blogs, because if AI can create widget, it also can create multiple widgets, combine them, and create a new personalized blog from scratch. And besides that, AI also can create a ready-made website pages, provide content for them, provide images for them, and also take into account SEO related issues. And for advanced user or for advanced designers who really want something special, something extravagant, AI can be as a designer or co-designer in the website. So designers can provide their thoughts, provide their story, and AI will try to create something beautiful, something unique using our designer tools. So AI is a growth driver. At UCRAFT, we believe AI will not simply guide the design and website creation process, but also act as a key growth driver for businesses, especially in the e-commerce area. Our aim is to provide tailored AI-driven solutions that help our customers to run their e-commerce businesses efficiently with a full suite of our tools, including content generation, design creation and manipulation, SEO optimization, customer analytics and behavior analysis, and market research and personalization. And by integrating these AI-powered tools, UCRAFT will enable businesses to focus more on their business needs and and less on the complexities of website generation or some kind of engineering stuff. And now let's talk a little bit about ethics and AI and how UCRAFT approached to this topic. So at UCRAFT, we take the ethical implication of AI seriously, ensuring that our tools not only enhance the user experience, but provide and promote a safe and trustworthy environment for our customers. Here are some of the ethical safeguards we have implemented so far. So at first place is again the harassment detection, because we employ AI-powered harassment detection techniques to monitor and prevent the creation of harmful or harassment-related content or website through our tools. This ensures that the website generated with UCRAFT maintain positive and respectful tone. The next part is phishing detection. So our platform tries to identify phishing-related website, phishing-related content, and tries to block them to not make malicious user create phishing-related website through our tools. And AI at UCRAFT is a helper, it's not a replacement. We design our AI tools with the philosophy that tools will help our customers and will provide them with tools that can make their life more easier. The AI at UCRAFT is not to replace the customer, it is like a partner who will work with our customer to understand their needs and to provide them tools to solve their issues and to make them happy when they are running their businesses and make them grow their businesses. And in conclusion, I can take some takeaways. So UCRAFT began as a website creation tool with a clear mission to simplify the process of website creation for our customers. Then we later understood that we should expand to the e-commerce engine, and we created our own e-commerce engine to help our customers run online shops, run e-commerce, run their businesses online. Now we have leveraging AI to automate and enhance design, content creation, and more. And in the future, we will continue to use AI deeper into our platform to provide even more tailored solution for our customers, focusing on personalization, automation, and business optimization. And here are some areas where we are looking ahead that we can integrate AI. This is e-commerce for sure. This is data analysis, and it can also play a good role in real-time data analysis, especially to filter the false values from the data and to identify outliers. Customer satisfaction, there are a lot of companies that right now are using AI for customer satisfaction. For example, there are a lot of chatbots that talk to customers to understand their needs and to make them more happier. It can work well with real-time data processing, phishing detection and malicious behavior detection, advertisement suggestion, and much more. And the future of AI at UCRAFT is bright, and we look forward to expand what's possible with AI in both design and e-commerce. And here are the QR codes for our UC Copilot, which is for generating website. And right next is our UC logo generator, so feel free to scan the QRs and try to use our tools. And that was that for today. Thank you. Now, if you have questions, I will be glad to answer.
I just wondered, it's a question that we can discuss during our normal work day, but because you prepared this beautiful presentation, it's kind of interesting to discuss it here now. So basically, when someone creates a website and then after that, it comes the marketing part, right? Yeah, you mentioned the SEO part, but there is also a whole bunch of other stuff when it comes to marketing.
Thank you. There is also a whole bunch of other stuff when it comes to marketing. And my question is, will you guys create a marketing co-pilot thing that's not part of the website creation co-pilot? It's a different co-pilot that helps with pretty much all of the aspects of the marketing.
Yeah,
like,
we can. In our plans, we have such a thing, like to do a market research with the help of AI, and to try to also do a real-time analysis of particular website to understand what is going wrong, what is going right, what can our customers do, and try to do a suggestion to the merchant or to our customer. For example, let's say your product pictures are not so good, or for example, your content is bad, or your placement
navigation is wrong.
Yeah, navigation is wrong, or keywords are wrong, or whatever it can identify.
Okay, thanks.
As I can see, there are no more questions. So thank you very much. It was my pleasure to present you our ideas related to AI, how we are incorporating AI, and how we are trying to identify new areas where the AI can shine and bring fruitful results for both us and our customers and make them happy. Thank you.